In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva website templates. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, you'll first want to head over to Canva's website. Canva is a fantastic online design tool that's accessible to everyone, and it's perfect for creating professional looking website templates. Once you're on the Canva homepage located at the top right corner of the screen, look for the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you can also use this opportunity to sign up. Having an account will allow you to access and create projects seamlessly. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate your way to the Canva homepage. Here you'll have access to a wide array of templates and design tools. At this point, you're ready to get to the heart of the process, the projects area. Find and click on the Projects tab, which will open up all your saved designs and any previous work you've done in Canva. Selecting a project is a crucial step in setting up your template for sale. Within the Projects section, browse through your designs and select the one you wish to sell. Keep in mind, it's a good idea to make sure your chosen design is polished and ready for sale before proceeding further. Once you've selected a project, it's time to share it as a template. Look for the Share button, typically situated at the top of the screen. Clicking on this will present you with various sharing options. For selling templates, you'll want to create a template link. This special link will allow your customers to access your design in a manner that lets them edit and customize it for their own use. Once you click Share, look for the template link option. Clicking on this will generate a unique link that you can distribute to your customers. And there you have it. With your template link in hand, you're now equipped to start selling your Canva website templates. You can use this link on your website, share it on social media, or embed it in an online marketplace such as Etsy. Just make sure to communicate clearly with your customers about what your template includes and how they can customize it to fit their needs. Selling Canva website templates can be a lucrative way to harness your design skills, offering you flexibility and a creative outlet to earn. Remember to keep your portfolio updated with fresh designs to attract a larger audience. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.